Gimmal Zones are a cloud-hosted application that streamlines and simplifies uploading documents to different repositories. Multiple zones can be configured, and users can then drag and drop documents onto a zone. A wizard leads them through the process. Let's take a look. Here we see 5 zones configured for different document types. Commonly used zones can be added to your Favorites page, shown here. Zones can also be organized into a structure for easy navigation. Clicking the heart on a zone adds it to your list of favorites. Security limits what zones a user may have access to as he navigates the structure. To upload a document, we drag one or more files from Windows Explorer onto the zone. In this example, we'll use employee files. A dialog box appears to show the progress of the upload. When the documents are uploaded, we select Next. The Details page shows us where the documents are being stored, the type of repository, and path to the location of the documents. Your zone's administrator will configure the properties for each zone. Sticky properties are applied to all the documents you have uploaded. To enter the properties per document, we select the document name. Default values may be configured for some properties. These default values may be editable, or they may be read-only. Here we enter a title and use the default values for the other 2 properties. We do this for each document. When we've entered all the information for each document, we click Submit. The documents are moved to their final location, any document or content type is set, and properties are populated. Zone administrators may also configure hidden properties that are not displayed to the user but are populated in the repository. Let's take a look at our documents in SharePoint Online. On our Human Resources site, we see the 3 new employee files in the Employee Files library. On each document, we see the properties are populated based on our zone entries. Zone administration is managed through the same web-based UI. I'm now logged in as a zone administrator. There are administration options available on the left side of the screen we did not see before. This is where we configure our zones. We'll start with zone management. We'll look at the configuration for our Employee Files zone in Human Resources. We navigate to Human Resources and click the ellipsis and select Edit. Here we see the name of the zone, a description that appears on the zone, the URL to the image displayed on the zone, the destination where documents are uploaded, and the property template used by this zone. Templates let me group different document properties together for use in a zone. Let's look at our employee file template. Here we see the template name and description. We see each property that has been added to the zone and how the property has been configured. Any or all properties can be made sticky. If a property is marked required, the user cannot click Submit without populating the property. Read-only properties cannot be edited, and hidden properties do not show up in the display. Default values may be entered for any property. Security allows me to control who can see and use a zone. I assign one or more groups to a zone, and to provide a user access to the zone, I simply add him to the group. Thank you for viewing this demonstration of Gimmal Zones.